Hello everyone. Last class we have studied about waves. So in this class we are moving on to the topic types of waves. Waves can be classified into two depending upon whether they need a medium or not. So depending upon whether they need a medium or not, a wave can be classified into two. One is a mechanical wave and other type of wave is an electromagnetic wave. So now you study what do you mean by a mechanical wave. So a mechanical wave is a wave which needs a medium to travel. So what is the characteristic of a mechanical wave? They need a medium. Mechanical wave needs a medium to travel. So can you suggest an example of a mechanical wave? Examples of mechanical wave is waves in solids, liquids, gases. So generally we can say that sound is one of the example of a mechanical wave. It needs a medium to travel. We know that there are a lot of explosions happening in outer space every day, every moment, but we don't hear that sound. Or we use special apparatus in moon when we have to talk to other. An astronaut is always communicating with other astronauts with the help of special type of apparatus. Why? Because in moon there is no air. So there is no medium so that sound can travel. So sound is an example of a mechanical wave. So what do you mean by a mechanical wave, children? A mechanical wave is a wave which needs a medium to travel. It cannot pass through vacuum. In order to demonstrate sound as a mechanical wave, we know that we have the famous bell and the jar experiment, where a bell is placed inside a jar and the jar is having a vacuum pump. When we try to evacuate air from the jar, when the bell is on, we can hear that the sound of the bell is going fainter and fainter. When all of the air inside the jar is evacuated, we can see that the bell is ringing, but we cannot hear any sound. The famous bell and the jar experiment shows that sound is a mechanical wave. Then the other type of wave is an electromagnetic wave. So what do you mean by an electromagnetic wave? It does not require a medium to travel. So what is the definition? It does not require a medium. It does not require a medium. What do you mean by that? If medium is there, it's okay, but it can travel even without a medium. So what all are the examples of electromagnetic wave? The light wave is an example of an electromagnetic wave. all the light, that is Vibgyor, colors, all are electromagnetic rays. Then another example of electromagnetic wave is our X-ray. Then radio waves, these are all examples of electromagnetic waves. And all electromagnetic waves travel through vacuum, and we know that the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So all the electromagnetic waves in the spectrum, they all travel with the same speed in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So the types of waves, here the classification goes according to whether the waves need a medium or not. So the example one is the mechanical wave which needs a medium to travel. That's an example of example is sound wave, or the transverse wave in water. There can be examples of mechanical wave. And if you know that there's a spring, we call it a slingy. All the waves that is traveling through the slingy, because it has a medium to travel. So that also can be an example of a mechanical wave. And electromagnetic waves are waves which does not require a medium to travel. So, examples of electromagnetic waves are light, X-rays, radio waves, gamma rays. There are a lot of examples for electromagnetic waves. So, I think that you understood it. Thank you.